Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to set your Facebook video quality to SD only on your PC using the latest update. If you want to save data, reduce buffering, or just keep things running smoothly on a slower connection, this setting can make a big difference. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your personal settings. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand a few more options. Now, click on Settings to open the full settings page. Once you're inside the settings area, you'll see a list of categories on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you find Media. Click on it to open your media preferences. Now look for the option labeled Video Default Quality. This controls how videos are played across Facebook by default. Next to it, you'll see a drop-down or selection menu. Click on it and choose SD only, that's it. Your videos will now play in standard definition instead of high definition. This helps reduce data usage and can prevent videos from constantly buffering, especially if your internet connection isn't very fast. If you ever want to switch back to higher quality, you can follow the same steps and change the setting again. Give it a try and see how much smoother your Facebook experience becomes.